Forearm Pronation. This exercise strengthens the pronator teres and pronator quadratus muscles. On resisted pronation, the brachioradialis acts only as an accessory muscle. Sit upright on a chair with an armrest. You may use a side table as armrest as alternative. For better isolation of the movement, tuck your elbow near your side and bend it to 90 degrees flexion. Note on the video that the direction of the resistance should come from the opposite the direction of the movement. Begin by grabbing the end of the band with the forearm in a supinated or palms up position. Pull the band such that the forearm rotates inward, ending the movement in a palms down position. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Choose the right color of the band for the needed resistance. Forearm supination. This exercise primarily strengthens the supinator muscle. When the elbow simultaneously flexes or when resisted supination happens on an extended elbow, the biceps brachii also takes part in the action. On resisted supination, the brachioradialis acts only as an accessory muscle. Sit upright on a chair with an armrest. You may use a side table as armrest as alternative. For better isolation of the movement, tuck your elbow near your side and bend it to 90 degrees flexion. Note on the video that the direction of the resistance should come from the opposite the direction of the movement. Begin by grabbing the end of the band with the forearm in a pronated or palms down position. Pull the band such that the forearm rotates outward, ending the movement in a palms up position. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Choose the right color of the band for the needed resistance.